Good morning, students. In this chapter, this expanded form of a number. This next one point, fill in the blank spaces. Here this numbers given, and you write in words these numbers place value and place name. Right. Question is here. Right. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks. Expanded form of the numbers. Then here 43, this number is given. Then you write here 3 which place, unit place. Then unit place value is here 3. Then you write here 3 and here 4, this tens place and place value of this 40. Otherwise you write here only 4 tens. 4 tens and 3 unit in this type, right? 4 tens, 3 unit. Second one number you see here 5 0 50. Then here write 0 unit, 0 unit and 5 which place here tens. 5 tens means 50. Then 50 plus 0 place here unit place 0 value 0. Then 50 plus 0 is equal to 50. Then 33. 33 means here 3 unit. 3 unit and this number 3 tens. 3 tens. 3 tens, right? 3 tens means 30 and this 3 unit. 3 unit means 3. Then 30 plus 3 is equal to number 33. Then 59. 59. 9 unit. 9 unit and 5 tens. 9 unit and 5 tens. 5 tens means 50 and 9 units means only 9. Then 50 plus 9 is equal to 59. 50 plus 9 is equal to 59. Then next one 84. 84. Then you write here 4 unit and 8 tens. 8 tens. 8 tens means 80 and this 4 unit. Then 80 plus 4 is equal to 84. 80 plus 4 is equal to 84. Then again here one table is given. This numbers given. Then expanded form you write here and number in words this in front you write here. Then you make here one table. Firstly write here number. Second column expanded form. Expanded form. And in third column write you here in words. In words. Then firstly number write here 75. Then 75 is expanded here 70 and here 5. Then expanded form of this number 70 plus 5. Then you write in words this number. 75 means 75. 75. Then next number given 61. Then here you write here 60 and here 1 write. Then and here write 60 plus 1 and in front of you write here in words 61. Then next number 26. 26. Then you write here Here write 20, here write 6. Then here write 20 plus 6. Then inverse 26. Spelling right here 20 and afterwards 6. Then next one 38. 38. Then this number right here 30, tens place, unit place number here 8. Then here expanded form 30 plus 8 and here then inverse you write here spelling 30 and 8. 38. Then next one number 84. 84. Then here write in tens place 80. Then unit place you write here 4. Then in expanded form you write here 80 plus 4 and here write this spelling inverse. Firstly you write here 80 and afterwards write 4. 80 plus 4, 84. Then next one chapter. Here let's count numbers in steps. Let's count numbers in steps. See here. Let's count number in steps. Next one chapter. Look at the picture, read and learn. You see here, look at the hopes of the rabbit. Here rabbit. Firstly he hopes 3 number, then afterwards 6, then afterwards 9, 12 and 15. It starts from this number 3. It starts from this number 3. While hoping it lands at certain numbers and note the numbers at which it lands. Firstly he hopes at number 3, afterwards 6, afterwards 9, 12 and last number 15. Here then it starts from this number 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 in this type. Then look at the picture. Second one picture you see here. Write the number at which the deer leaps forward from 5. Deer leaps here. Firstly 5 number, then afterwards 10 number, 15 number, 20 number and here 25 number. Means these numbers are in steps of. These numbers are in steps of this 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25. And all these numbers are in steps of this 3. Here 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12 and 3 5 is 15. Then next one, draw the remaining jump of this frog. You see here. Firstly frog jump in 1 number, then afterwards 3, afterwards 5, means here difference of these two numbers. 5 after 7 you draw here, 5 after 7, 7 after jump here 9, 9 after 11, 11 after 13, means here steps of these numbers in 2. Steps of in number in 2 means 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9 in this type. Then look at the following numbers. You look these numbers and write the numbers which are in colored boxes. Colored boxes, firstly here 4, then 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. Means all these numbers in colored boxes, these steps of this 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. These numbers are in steps of this 4. Means here difference of all these in numbers is 4. These numbers in count in steps. Firstly here given these numbers in steps of these 3, steps of 5 and steps of this 4. Then this remaining part tomorrow. Okay. Bye.